Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we share the best tips and tricks to help you achieve financial freedom and success. If you are looking to earn money online in 2025, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into 5 powerful and innovative ways you can make money from the comfort of your home. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to diversify your income streams, there's something here for everyone. So, grab a notebook and get ready to take some notes because these ideas are going to blow your mind. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for more life-changing content. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing Platforms. First up, freelancing platforms. In 2025, freelancing is expected to be bigger than ever. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer endless opportunities. Pro tip: focus on building a strong portfolio and gathering positive client reviews. This not only boosts your credibility but also helps you land high-paying gigs. Freelancing gives you the freedom to work from anywhere and set your own rates. Plus, it's a fantastic way to monetize your skills. So why wait? Start building your freelance empire today. Number 2. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Next on our list is dropshipping and e-commerce. The online shopping trend is only growing, and 2025 is the perfect time to jump on this wave. With dropshipping, you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. Simply find a supplier, list the products on your e-commerce store, and let the supplier handle the rest. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up your store. The key here is finding a niche with high demand but low competition. Think outside the box: personalized gifts, eco-friendly products, or even digital downloads. And the best part? You can automate most of the process, turning it into a passive income stream. Who wouldn't love that? Number 3. Online courses and digital products. Number 3 is all about online courses and digital products. If you are an expert in any field, be it cooking, photography, digital marketing, or even playing a musical instrument, there are people willing to pay to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it super easy to create and sell your courses or digital products. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the power of passive income through digital education. So many creators are making good money by teaching digital marketing strategies. The possibilities are endless. Number 4. Content creation, YouTube and podcasting. Ever thought about becoming a YouTuber or podcaster? In 2025, content is still king. Creating engaging content on YouTube or starting a podcast can be incredibly lucrative. Through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, content creators are cashing in big time. The key is to find a niche you are passionate about. Whether it's tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or true crime stories, consistency and authenticity are the game changers. And don't worry about expensive equipment. You can start with just your smartphone and free editing software. Building an audience takes time, but once you hit that sweet spot, the rewards are worth every effort. So, what's stopping you from hitting that record button? Number 5. Print on demand. Moving on to print on demand. If you are a creative soul with a knack for designing, this is your chance to shine. With print on demand, you can sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without worrying about inventory or shipping. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble integrate seamlessly with Shopify and Etsy, making it easy to showcase your unique designs. Focus on creating trending, niche-specific designs. Think memes, pop culture references, or motivational quotes. Imagine seeing people wear your designs and earning money from every sale. It's a designer's dream come true. And there you have it, 5 incredible ways to earn money online in 2025. The digital world is full of opportunities, and the only limit is your imagination and willingness to take action. So, which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this video with anyone who's looking to start their online income journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.